Welcome! If you use Telegram on your computer and want to make sure your contacts can see your bio, this video will walk you through the latest update step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app launches, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines that form the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the sidebar. From the menu, select Settings. This is where all the personal options are located. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and choose Privacy and Security. This section controls how other people interact with your account and what information they can see. Now, look for the Bio option within Privacy and Security. This setting decides who can view your Telegram bio. In the latest update, Telegram gives you more control over your visibility, so you can choose between different privacy levels. Click on Bio, and you'll see several choices, usually including options like Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. To allow only your saved contacts to see your bio, simply choose My Contacts. This means your bio will be visible only to people you've added to your Telegram contact list, keeping it private from strangers or unknown users. After choosing My Contacts, don't forget the final step. Click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply your new privacy setting right away. And that's it. You've successfully allowed your contacts to see your bio on Telegram for PC. It's a small adjustment, but it helps maintain a better balance between privacy and personal connection. With this update, managing what others see on your profile has become more intuitive and secure.